Alright, here we go. 360 camera fans, get ready, because the battle we've all been waiting for is finally heating up. DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 are going head-to-head, and each of them is bringing something wild to the table. Whether you're a content creator, an action junkie, or just love playing with shiny new gear, this showdown is going to be fun to watch. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more epic tech battles. DJI just dropped the Osmo 360 and honestly, it's a powerhouse. Native 8K video, not the AI upscaled stuff, actual crisp cinematic 8K. And if that wasn't enough, it shoots 120 megapixel stills. You could zoom into a crowd and probably count someone's freckles. It even offers slow motion at 4K 120 FPS and a sweet 5K mode too. Low light performance? On point. Thanks to a bright f1.9 lens and large pixels, this thing handles darkness like a pro. Plus, it's smart, really smart, with features like Horizon Steady 360, voice and gesture controls, a splash-proof body, and a battery that gives you up to 3 hours with an extension bar. It's stacked. All of this for around $500? That's ridiculous, in the best way. Hit that like button if DJI just climbed to the top of your wish list. Then out of the shadows finally comes the GoPro Max 2. We waited forever for this, and GoPro finally gave us a teaser. No specs, no explanation, just a clip of skydivers falling like action movie legends. But that was enough. The design is tougher, the lenses are centered, finally, and it's got those cool little cooling fins like it means business. If the rumors are true and it's packing dual 1-inch sensors, we're talking serious image quality and performance. But GoPro fans are a bit cautious, and rightfully so. Past updates have been hit or miss. We still remember the clunky editing apps and average battery life, but this teaser, it had heart. It felt like GoPro saying, we're still here, and we haven't forgotten you. If you're rooting for a GoPro comeback, drop a comment below and tell us why. And then we've got the Insta360 X5. If DJI is about pure specs and GoPro is trying to win back our trust, Insta360 is out here giving creators exactly what they want. It's smooth, powerful, and built to make storytelling easier. The X5 shoots in sharp 8K, offers 360 reframing so you can decide where to point the camera after you shoot, and has swappable lenses for different styles. You can switch between 360 and single lens modes, get 72 megapixel pitch photos, and it even supports ProRes for high-quality editing workflows. It's waterproof, it's stable, and the AI tools in the app save tons of time in post. Basically, it feels like a tiny film studio in your pocket. Tag a creator friend who needs to see this, and let's keep the creative energy going. So where does that leave us? DJI is throwing down specs like it's trying to win an Oscar. GoPro is back with a vengeance, hoping to reclaim its spot. And Insta360? It's quietly becoming every creator's best friend, no matter which one you're leaning toward. This 360 camera war is making the space more exciting than it's been in years. Subscribe now and stay tuned. We've got more tech showdowns, hands-on reviews, and spicy leaks coming your way.